You're not standing still, not now, not ever. Even as you sit and watch this, you're spinning with Earth at over 1,600 kilometers per hour, orbiting the Sun at 107,000 kilometers. But it doesn't stop there. The entire solar system is flying around the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, at over 828,000 kilometers per hour. And what's anchoring that orbit? A monster. At the center of the Milky Way sits Sagittarius A star, a supermassive black hole with the mass of 4 million suns, invisible, unstoppable. And we're in orbit around it, on a journey that takes 220 million years to complete. The last time Earth was in this exact position, dinosaurs had just begun to walk the planet. But that black hole, it's just the beating heart of something far greater. A galaxy, a swirling city of stars, planets, gas, dark matter, and mystery. The Milky Way is our galaxy, and it holds more than 100 billion stars. And it's just one of at least 2 trillion in the known universe. Some galaxies spiral like pinwheels. Others form spheres, rings, or unexplainable shapes. They grow, they merge, they drift for billions of years, and like living things, they have destinies. One day our destiny collides with another, Andromeda. It's the Milky Way's nearest galactic neighbor, and it's coming toward us, fast. In about 4 billion years, the two galaxies will merge, forming a brand new one, what astronomers call Milkdromeda. It sounds dramatic, right? But here's the surprising part. Stars won't collide. Even in a galactic crash, they almost never touch, because the space between them is unimaginably vast. It'll be chaos without contact, motion without impact, a cosmic dance lasting billions of years. And you? Right now, you're riding a planet that's flying through this quiet storm. Not still, not separate, but part of the galaxy and part of the future, already on its way.